Class 5th Standard, Lesson 5, Topic Natural Disasters.
Hi students, I am your EVS teacher. Today I discuss about natural disaster. What is natural disaster? Natural disaster is a major bad event caused by the natural processes of the earth consisting of floods, earthquakes, volcanoes, cyclone and tsunami. Some natural hazards occur because of outside our control.
Every year, millions of people are affected by natural disasters. Natural disasters happen because of the weather or other natural conditions. The first topic is tsunami. Tidal or storm waves are also known as tsunami. A tsunami is caused by an undersea earthquake or by a severe cyclone. Storm waves from the sea come rolling towards the shore. They strike suddenly and cause great damage on the seashore within seconds. Tidal waves as high as 15 meters have been recorded. If there is already a high tide, then storm waves hit the land. They can cause severe damage. These giant waves travel at a speed of around 800 kilometers. This results in destruction of life and property in the area. On 26th December 2004, an earthquake measuring 9.0 on the Richter scale hit off the coast of Indonesia. It triggered a massive tsunami that resulted in widespread death and destruction across South Asia.
There were over 1,50,000 dead across 11 countries with Indonesia, Sri Lanka, India and Thailand being among the hardest hit. Over 5 million people became homeless.
Next topic is floods. In most places in our country, it rains heavily during the monsoon season. Floods damages houses, roads and property. There is so much water in the rivers that in many of them the water level rises above the banks. The water flows into nearby land causing a flood. Water supply, communication networks and electric lines get affected. There is a shortage of food, shelter and drinking water. This leads to unhygienic conditions resulting in disease like cholera, malaria, etc. In coastal areas, flooding is often caused by cyclone. A cyclone is a very strong wind accompanied with very heavy rain. The next topic is earthquakes. Earthquakes are measured on the Richter scale. The scale was invented by Charles Richter in 1935. Earthquakes generate waves that travel all over the earth. They can be detected with an instrument called a seismograph. The seismograph consists of a frame, a spring, a stone, a drum, a paper, and a pen. When the earth trembles, the spring moves the pen over the paper which is wrapped on the drum. This reading or pattern obtained on the paper is called a seismogram. People who study earthquakes are called seismologists. Next topic is cyclone. What is a cyclone? A cyclone is a very strong wind accompanied with very heavy rains. The strong wind causes destruction on land and high waves in the sea, which cause flooding. In coastal areas, flooding is often caused by cyclones. Next topic is drought. If a particular area receives no rain or less rain than normal for a long period, it is said to be affected by drought. It is not only the lack of rainfall that causes drought. Hot, dry winds, high temperature, and evaporation of moisture from the ground can result in drought. Droughts cause crop failure, which leads to famine. People wait for help to come in the form of food, water, and medicines from neighboring places or agencies. Thank you.